Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our Quectel USB dongle series to you. There are three antenna pedestals here. This one is the main antenna pedestal, and this one is GPS pedestal, and this one is the division antenna pedestal. And you can connect the antenna like this way. And on the other side, here is a SIM card slot. You can insert the SIM card like this way, and this is the UART connector, and this is the pin definition. And I will teach you how to use this USB dongle. You can connect it like this way with computer, and then before using, you need to download a driver, Quectel driver. We will send it to you, or you can send email, ask us to send you. And after download it, you can open the SSCOM software for test. These are the 80 commands to test the modem, and if you use this, the output will be this, and this is the correct output. If there's any mistake or not correct, it will appear as error. Okay, thank you.